Hello everyone, welcome back to Echo Talk Studio, the place where we learn English in a simple, clear, and confident way.
Hi guys, I'm Majnoo.
And I'm Laila. And today's topic is very special. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is very common in English exams, interviews, presentations, and daily conversations.
Yes, our topic is talk about your country.
Whenever you apply for a visa, go for an interview, join an international meeting, or even make foreign friends, this question often comes up.
They ask, where are you from? Tell me about your country. What is special about your country?
And many people feel nervous because they don't know how to explain their country in good English.
But don't worry. After watching this full lesson, you will be able to talk about your country confidently, fluently, and professionally.
Which country are we talking about? In this lesson, we will use Pakistan as an example.
But remember, you can easily change the name and facts and use this script for any country.
Exactly. So, let's begin.
Let's start with a simple introduction.
You can say, I am from Pakistan. Pakistan is a beautiful country located in South Asia.
Pakistan shares borders with India, Afghanistan, Iran, and China.
It also has a coastline along the Arabian Sea, which is very important for trade and tourism.
Pakistan became an independent country in 1947.
The capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad, which is known for its greenery and peaceful environment.
Pakistan has many famous cities.
For example, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, Faisalabad, Peshawar, Quetta, Multan.
Karachi is the largest city and the economic hub of the country.
Lahore is known as the heart of Pakistan and is famous for its history, culture, and food.
Islamabad is the political capital and one of the most beautiful planned cities in Asia.
Pakistan is very rich in natural beauty.
It has mountains, rivers, deserts, forests, and beaches.
Some of the world's highest mountains, including K2, are located in Pakistan.
Northern regions like Hunza, Skardu, Swat, and Gilgit attract tourists from all over the world.
Pakistan also has the Indus River, which is one of the longest rivers in Asia and plays a major role in agriculture.
Pakistan has a diverse climate.
Some areas are very hot, while others are extremely cold.
The northern regions experience heavy snowfall in winter.
Southern areas, especially near the sea, have a hot and humid climate.
Pakistan has a population of more than 240 million people.
It is one of the most populated countries in the world.
People of Pakistan belong to different ethnic groups such as Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashtun, Balochi, and Kashmiri.
Despite cultural differences, people live together with unity and respect.
The national language of Pakistan is Urdu.
English is also widely spoken and used in education, offices, and official communication.
Regional languages include Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Balochi, and many others.
Pakistan is an Islamic country.
The majority of the population is Muslim.
Islam plays an important role in daily life, culture, and values.
At the same time, Pakistan respects people of other religions and beliefs.
Pakistani food is famous all over the world.
It is known for its rich taste and spices.
Some popular dishes include biryani, nihari, karahi, halim, kebabs.
People in Pakistan love food and hospitality.
Pakistan has a very rich culture.
Traditional dresses like shalwar kameez are commonly worn.
Festivals such as Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha are celebrated with great joy.
Weddings are colorful and full of traditions.
One of the best things about Pakistan is its people.
Pakistanis are known for being friendly, kind, and hospitable.
Guests are treated with great respect and care.
Pakistan has many universities, colleges, and schools.
The youth of Pakistan is talented, energetic, and hardworking.
Young people are making progress in technology, business, and education.
We talked about geography, people, culture, language, food, and traditions.
And today, we are going deeper.
Yes, in this part, we will talk about history, economy, tourism, challenges, achievements, and why we are proud of our country.
Every country has a story, and Pakistan has a very powerful history.
Pakistan came into existence on 14th August 1947.
It was created after a long struggle led by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
He believed in unity, faith, and discipline.
The creation of Pakistan gave Muslims of the subcontinent a separate homeland.
Since independence, Pakistan has faced many challenges but has continued to move forward.
Pakistan is a federal parliamentary republic.
The country has a president and a prime minister.
There are 4 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan.
Each province has its own culture, language, and traditions.
Now, let's talk about the economy.
Pakistan is a developing country.
Agriculture plays a very important role in the economy.
Major crops include wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane.
Pakistan is also growing in industry and services.
Textiles, IT services, construction, and exports contribute to the economy.
In recent years, Pakistan has made progress in technology.
Many young people are working as freelancers, software developers, and digital creators.
Pakistan is among the top countries in freelance work.
Startups and online businesses are growing rapidly.
Pakistan is a paradise for tourists.
It has mountains, valleys, lakes, deserts, and historical sites.
Some famous tourist places are Hunza Valley, Skardu, Fairy Meadows, Swat Valley, Murree.
Historical places include Mohenjo-Daro, Taxila, Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort.
Tourism is becoming an important source of income.
Pakistan has great religious importance.
There are many beautiful mosques and Islamic centers.
Pakistan is also important for other religions.
Sikh holy places like Kartarpur Corridor are located in Pakistan.
Like every country, Pakistan also faces challenges.
These include poverty, unemployment, inflation, and education issues.
There are also challenges related to health and environment.
But the people of Pakistan are strong and hopeful.
Pakistanis never give up.
They face difficulties with courage and patience.
During natural disasters, people help each other.
This shows unity and brotherhood.
Sports are very popular in Pakistan.
Cricket is the most loved sport.
Pakistan has produced world-class players.
Hockey, football, and squash are played.
Pakistan has a rich tradition of music and art.
Folk music, classical music, and modern songs are popular.
Pakistani dramas are famous worldwide.
They show strong stories and social messages.
The future of Pakistan depends on its youth.
Young people are the biggest asset of the country.
With education and hard work, Pakistan can progress.
Technology and innovation will shape the future.
Heart, why I am proud of my country. Now let's talk about pride.
I am proud of my country because of its people.
I am proud of its culture, history, and sacrifices.
Despite difficulties, Pakistan continues to stand strong.
This makes us hopeful and confident.
Now, let's give you a perfect ready-made answer.
You can say, I am from Pakistan. It is a beautiful country located in South Asia. Pakistan has a rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. The people of Pakistan are friendly, hardworking, and hospitable. Although Pakistan faces some challenges, its youth and resources give hope for a bright future. I am proud to belong to my country.
This brings us to the end.
Now you can confidently talk about your country in English.
Use this script for exams, interviews, presentations, spoken English practice.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Echo Talk Studio.